Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data visualization project with Qlik step by step clearly. Open Qlik Sense and create a new application. Name your application appropriately based on the project topic. Once the application is created, navigate to the Data Manager. Upload your dataset by selecting the appropriate file format. After the upload, verify the data structure in the Data Preview section. If necessary, make adjustments to the data model to ensure accuracy. Next, head to the Data Load Editor to enhance your data model. In this section, you can script joins, associations, and transformations. Once you are satisfied with the data model, load the data into your application. After loading is complete, click on the Sheets icon to start creating visualizations. Choose to create a new sheet, giving it a descriptive name. Drag and drop visual elements from the toolbar onto your sheet. Select the type of visualization that best represents your data. Configure the properties for each visualization by editing measures and dimensions. Use filters to refine your data view and highlight key insights. Experiment with different chart types to find the most effective representation. Customize colors and labels to improve the overall design and readability. Save your changes frequently to avoid losing your work. Preview your sheet to see how the visualizations come together. Make adjustments as needed based on your observations during the preview. Once satisfied with your visualizations, consider linking them across sheets. Explore the storytelling feature to create a cohesive narrative with your visuals. Finalize the project by checking all elements for accuracy and clarity. Prepare your application for sharing by ensuring all data is clean and organized. Once ready, publish your Qlik project to share with your intended audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.